Not great. I slept like a baby. Felt so good to have some of that AC.
I bet. Last night, Josh and we started getting freaky, and I've been waiting forever for this. Like, I can't even tell you, for like 6 years. You are so hot, you know that?
God!
Oh
No,
my God!
God, please, no!
Holy,
no!
good Lord, have
No!
mercy. I get Josh in my room,
No!
and we're kind of making out. It's getting really sexy, and I can hear the generator dying. And so I'm like, just hold that thought. So I ran out there, put some gas in the generator. I come back. He is asleep. I mean, we didn't want to play, and it didn't happen. He passed out on me. I mean, I literally just went outside to put a little gas in the generator, come back, and you're knocked out.
Honestly, I woke up and it was 7 o'clock in the morning. I was just in my comfort zone. I thought you'd maybe be happy about that. And
I was, whatever.
So that's just gonna say you're gonna be mad for the rest of the day.
I don't know. I feel like you're making me do all this dance for you because you're complaining that I'm not
doing all the dance. I was the one doing all the dancing the other night.
I'm talking about making sure you got all the creature comforts and making sure that you're happy with dinner, making sure I did everything that I was supposed to do for you to make you happy, and you're teasing me, walking around naked and driving me crazy, and at the same time, here you are, we finally are there, and I step away for a second, and you're passed out.
Sorry, you had to go put gas in the generator. Next time, don't leave me alone for a little bit.
So this is my fault? It's my fault I left you alone for 2 seconds? What the
There's ways you could have woke me up.
Dude, I tried to wake you up. You were out.
I don't get why Angela's so mad. I'm not trying to make it a rejection. My body just fell asleep. It couldn't last as long as I thought I could.
Good.
Well,
I don't know, dude.
I don't need to sit here in bed with you right now if we're gonna sit here and like that.
Fine. Leave me alone, then.
For real, you're just gonna sit here and for the rest of the day because I went to bed.
I mean, I'm frustrated now, and I don't even know what to do about it. I don't know what to say. I mean, I think I just took it as a rejection in some weird way. It just wasn't exciting enough for you or something,
I mean, I was just trying to not be too much like the other night you're saying, you want to be more, get to know each other. And when I first got in here, I was ready to, tear some things up, but I'm sorry that I fall asleep and I am as heavy as a sleeper as I am.
I feel the sense of him not wanting to be there, not wanting to be with me. I'm hurt, I'm humiliated, and I just want to sock the guy in the jaw because I feel like he deserved it.
I don't really know what else to say, but I am sorry, I really am. Kiss me back, damn it. I'm gonna go put some clothes on, get ready, brush my teeth, and then
Oh, you gotta be like that. That's the I'm talking about.
Hey,
That's the I'm talking about right there. Teasing me.
I'm not teasing you. Let's just get this day started, okay?
I'll be out there in a minute. Ridiculous.
Okay, here I go. We're going in. Oh my God.
Welcome home, Jen.
Oh my gosh.
Say, welcome to your humble abode. Here's the bed.
In the toilet.
Here's the kitchen. Yeah? Here's the commode.
Right next to the fridge.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, I cannot even.
All your pots and pans, everything you need.
Where am I gonna cook though? Where would I use a pot and pan?
Oh, I've got a little stave outside that I put on the chopping block. Like it hooks up with propane.
Oh my gosh. It's so tiny.
That's what she said.
So I need a lot more space. I don't know, I'm out of my element. This is definitely far from the beach and the spa, but I expected to lose my conveniences. It's just a reality of how different it is. It's a toilet is right next to the bed. What if you get up in the middle of the night?
I'll go outside. I'll go outside. Or you can go outside.
I'm not going outside.
Why not?
It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going outside and waiting in the dark.
Were you scared to go outside?
Yeah, definitely. I'm scared of little things.
There's no little things you have to worry about. I've got it all handled.
Snakes.
I think I've got rid of all the snakes.
Like, there's no like, okay, I'm just moving to another part to just kind of have my space.
You may want a lot of things, but not necessarily need them. You may want a big house, but I've always heard that.
I'm so scared right now.
Well, baby, we're gonna get the frogs back for all the fear that they've caused you through your lifetime.
I feel like they're traumatizing me more right now.
All right, we're ready to roll.
Charlie, what's your biggest fear?
God's my biggest fear.
I'm facing God right now.
So God's a frog? I don't think so, Jen. From my understanding, why Jen's afraid of frogs is that when she was 5 or 6, there was a rainstorm, and she went and hid underneath a huge pine tree, and underneath there was a frog.
A gigantic frog. It was like a foot tall.
It was a foot tall. Okay, so there's a foot tall frog underneath the
I swear. Where am I sitting?
In the middle.
I don't like it.
All you have to do is sit on the bucket for right now.
The frog and I were under the tree together. I ran for my life, and he chased me out from under the tree. I'm running in the rain, and he's on my tail, hopping after me in the rain. Gigantic frog.
Foot tall
frog. I am so scared because I can't get out. I'm about to be trapped. Do you understand what I'm saying?
They can't jump in the boat. As comical as it seems, her fear is genuine.
It's gonna be fine, promise you, okay?
But look how close I am. There's nowhere for me to go. If I freak out, I'm going in the water.
I won't bring the frog near you. I won't bring him near you. What I need you to do right now, baby, is get in the boat. Okay, let's go find him. All right, I'm just gonna let Jeremy paddle.
You're not selling me, Charlie, on me being here. Why would I need to do this?
Because you love me.
No, I don't think I do right now.
Jeremy, we might have one down here. We're looking at 20 feet. Oh. Yes.
No. Nope. No. Well, I cannot. You better keep
Here,
that
got him
thing.
in a boat.
You better not let it.
Come,
Keep
Jen,
it
get
over
the
there.
bucket.
The bucket's near you. You think I'm gonna sit there and stab a frog on an end of a stick like that? No.
I got him.
I feel like I'm in a horror movie. I do. Being trapped on this boat at night with these frogs is my biggest fear. I'm in a panic, but I don't feel like I'm like conquering my fear. I just feel freaked out about it.
Got him. Got him.
There's not one thing fun about this. I think I'm now even further traumatized by frogs. But I did something in spite of a great fear that I have. I think that shows courage. And I know Charlie was very proud. It was almost like an act of love towards him to get on that boat. This is the grossest thing that I've ever been a part of in my life. Whew, I don't like that. That's so creepy.
Here we are, baby girl. What you think?
I think it's about to be colder.
I'm talking about the creek we got.
It's beautiful.
Right?
Get in.
Maisha seems to be really enjoying herself out here, and that just makes me happy to see her coming into her own.
Ears, balls, and toes.
You want me to wash those for you?
Bruh. Mia came out here for a trial visit to see what she thought of it all, but it just didn't work out, so she went back home.
I'm about to deworm them. Who's helping on this one?
You going to do that one? Mm-mm. You gonna try? I said no.
Mia seemed to have the open mind, but just not the work ethic to follow through. Being in a relationship with just one person is already difficult. But finding another person interested in this lifestyle probably going to be twice as difficult.
You got the fire going?
Sure. That's part of the poly thing. You try it didn't work, you move on.
You're a better judge of character than I am. What do you think we learned from our time with Mia?
We didn't get no alone time.
Where would we get alone time?
What do you mean?
Where would we expect? We are living in a tent, a one-room tent.
The same way that we're like at the creek now. If she was here, she could easily be at the tent and we could be at the creek.
Yeah.
I feel like she was your shadow, not mine. She moved wherever you moved.
Yeah. Well, I don't feel like there's been a time for alone time. I don't see how there was an alternative.
To what?
We're all living in one room.
So that's why the questions is, do you feel like we had enough alone time?
No, I don't.
Right. It would have been the exact same way in the house as it is out here.
All right. I still don't get it, but okay. Yeah, we learned, moved on.